Hi, today we are going to learn about using money in context. Money is the means of paying for something or buying something. It could be coins or notes. Now, how can we use addition and subtraction in the context of money? The keywords that we would use for addition are total, combined, sum, increase, altogether, and so on. Whereas keywords for subtraction are how much more, take away, change, difference, fewer, and so on. Let's learn this with the help of an example. Let's say if Jensen spent £200 on rent of the house, £80 on grocery, £150 on bus fares, what is the total money spent by him? So as we know that amount of money spent on rent is equal to £200, amount of money spent on grocery is equal to £80, amount of money spent on bus fares is equal to £150. Here, the word total suggests add the amounts. So the total would be £430. Now let's try another question in subtraction. Macy wants to buy a toy car worth £27. She has a note of £50. How much change did she get from the shopkeeper after buying the toy car? So the amount of money with Macy is equal to £50. Amount of money she spent on toy car is equal to £27. The key word here is change. That means we need to take away or subtract. So £50 take away £27 gives your answer as £23. Let's try another question. Eva saved £55 in the month of January and £75 in the month of February. How much money was saved altogether in 2 months? So the amount of money saved in the month of January is £55, whereas amount of money saved in the month of February is £75. So the total amount of money saved is the sum of both these amounts, which is £130.